Air conditioning systems can become a source of airborne viruses and bacteria. Therefore, it is important to sanitize your AC system. One, turn off the AC unit you are going to sanitize. 2, disable the smoke detection system for the AC unit and the rooms that it serves. 3, put up the sanitation in progress signs in the rooms served by the AC unit. 1, open the filter door of the AC unit. 2, thoroughly vacuum the filters. 3, from 3 feet away, lightly fog the air filter. Caution: if you spray too close, the filter can become damaged and made ineffective. 4, remove the filter from the unit. 5, have another person with mask and goggles go to the farthest supply vent on this AC system with a radio in hand. 6, start the AC system. 7, start the fogger and point it at the AC coil. 8, as soon as the other person sees fog coming from the supply vent, they report this on the radio. 9, immediately stop the fogger. 10, let the AC system run for 5 minutes to clear out the ducts. 11, reinstall the sanitized air filter. 12, close the AC unit. 13, re-enable the smoke detection system. 14, remove the sanitation in progress signs. This procedure is used to sanitize each one of your building's AC systems.